Is that what I think it is? It can't be. Not here.
Look at this. I can't believe it.
It's a Brough Superior SS100. It's beautiful, even rusted like this.
The rust on the tank is really thick.
Whoa. Look at the engine block down here. It's almost unrecognizable.
Yeah. We have to save it.
We can definitely get this running again. The Jeep is here. Let's get the ramps. Hold on tight back there. This is incredible. What a ride. Hold on tight. This is wild.
It's worse than I thought.
Look at the engine block. It's completely pitted.
Pull it towards you now.
Okay, watch the frame.
I think the front forks go on first.
No, the schematic says we need to attach the magneto next. Look at that fizz. It's actually working. Ooh. Wow, the rust is just melting away. That's incredible. Yeah. Ready?
Pulling up now.
Clear. Set it down gently on the bench. The piston rings look acceptable, but the valve clearances are definitely off.
Look at the play in this exhaust rocker.
Yeah. We'll need to adjust that one.
The rust on this gear is extensive.
Yeah. And the valves are heavily corroded. We'll need to use the puller and assess the damage underneath.
Wow, look at that shine. It's incredible, absolutely perfect. See this one here?
It needs 2 more turns before we check the wobble.
I'm tightening this bolt now. Wait for the click on the torque wrench.
Okay, push now. Harder. There. It's in. This old bolt is really seized up. Keep going, you're almost through. There we go. Okay, that's secure now. Looks great. Job done.
This is the final one right here.
Yeah. Perfect. That's secure now.
Almost done pouring. The level looks good. Spot on.
I can't believe we're finally here with this bike.
It looks incredible. Listen to that engine hum.
It's magnificent. It sounds absolutely perfect. What a restoration.
It's absolutely stunning. The chrome work is flawless. I know, look at the detail on the engine.